How to log into Sweat Wallet account. What's up everyone, welcome to another tutorial. In today's video, I'm going to be showing you guys a quick and easy way to log into your Sweat Wallet account. But before getting started, make sure to like the video down below and subscribe to the channel. So the first thing you need to do is open up your Sweat Wallet once you have downloaded it. And if you have any other methods, you can go ahead and tap on other methods other than Google. So if you've used your Sweatcoin or if you have secret phrases, you can enter it here. I'm just going to continue with Google right now. So if you already have an account, you can just simply log in with your account, or if you want to create a new one, you can go ahead and tap on it. I'm just going to continue with my old one. So you'll have to use your activation email. So you just have to copy this email subject line. And then from here, you just paste it on your email to log into your Sweat wallet. So you can just copy this email subject line right here, open your email and paste it right there. And after doing that, you should be able to log into your account. So let me just show you guys. I'm just going to open up my Gmail application from here. Now I have just pasted the important key line, and then from here you can just go ahead and tap on log into your Sweat wallet right here. And this will allow you to log into your Sweat wallet easily. I hope you found this video helpful. I'll see you guys on the next one.